Essential oils for stomach aches and cramps. Essential oils can be used as a natural relief for stomach aches and cramps. But keep in mind that it's better to consult a doctor before using essential oils for self-treatment. Ginger essential oil. This oil has warming nature and is effective for reducing the stomach aches due to its analgesic properties. Also, ginger can suppress appetite, so it can serve as a prevention measure for any problems caused by overeating. Combine 2 drops of organic ginger oil with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Mix everything well and slowly lick the mixture. Usually, you will get relief within few minutes. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. This oil is cooling and contains a good amount of menthol, so it is helpful in alleviating nausea and the associated aches. Put 2-3 drops of eucalyptus oil on a piece of clean cloth and breathe it in to get relief. Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint oil has properties similar to eucalyptus oil because it is also cooling due to high menthol content. When you inhale it, it reduces nausea and can be used internally in a very small amounts, not more than 2-4 drops, diluted in olive oil. That's true only for 100% pure and high-quality peppermint oil, food grade rated. If you dilute it in coconut oil and massage it into your stomach, it can give you relief from cramps and aches, bringing cooling and numbing effect on stomach. Fennel Essential Oil. Fennel Essential Oil is obtained from fennel seeds that are often used as a mouth freshener after having meals. Fennel seeds can also suppress appetite. Fennel Essential Oil can be inhaled or rubbed onto the stomach area. When diluted in olive oil, it relieves pains due to poor digestion. Simply place 2-3 drops onto a clean cloth and inhale deeply for a few minutes. Lemon Essential Oil. This oil has a sweet and fruity smell and is helpful in relieving diarrhea and nausea that may accompany stomach aches. You can dilute it in grapeseed oil and rub on your belly, or inhale, placing few drops on a handkerchief. Few tips for stomach aches and cramps. Don't eat anything until you have a good hunger. Once you feel relieved, take only safe foods in the beginning: white rice, mashed potato, herbal teas, yogurt, and some fruits like banana and papaya that have soothing and cleansing properties. Have enough healthy liquids, and prefer mono meals in the beginning, to make it easier for your stomach to digest food.